And then here at Breadbecker's, and after many years of research, I discovered that much like what's done to our grains by sifting the bran and germ out and stripping all the great nutrients away and leaving us with white flour, and so much of the food processing industry that has just taken away everything that's good and tries to put some things, chemical things, back in to fortify, but that you can never improve on God. The same is true in the salt industry. And I'm like, why would they mess with salt if it's a preservative? It doesn't spoil. So what's going on? Refined salt, like you find in the store, has had the minerals stripped out of them to sell to other industries, and then heat treated to very high temperatures, 1200 degrees or more, to make the salt crystals very hard so they do not readily absorb moisture. When I was growing up, there was a little salt company that had this slogan, "When it rains, it pours." And that's kind of the premise of why salt is heat treated like that. So we found a company called Redmond Salt, and their salt is called Real Salt. It is only mined from the ground. And you'll see it has speckles and it's a little pink, and that's the source of the salt. Gives it those, that's those colors, and that's the trace minerals that are there. And we just advocate only using unrefined salt, because refined salt causes your body to need water to try to absorb that salt. And so that's some of the connection between salt and water retention. So real salt. And we use that in all of our recipes, and we just replace it 1 for 1 for salt called for in a recipe.